What's up, guys? Back for a MrBeast Lab Swarms opening. This will be the third part in our series. These are going to be the lab packs. It's in between the smaller tubes, the single tubes, and the mega lab packs. So it comes with two kind of random, assorted common ones because you can see them directly. And then it has one blind tube in each of them. So you get two more, and then each one comes with, I believe, one of 5 ultra rare MrBeasts. So we have a light blue with pink ears. We have a light blue with pink ears, but a black mask, as if he's like a luchador, a lucha libre wrestler. If I said that right.
I think luchador was good.
Luchador. We have a lime green with green ears. We have a lime green but speckled with green ears. And then we have my favorite of the 5, an orange with pink ears. So all of these guys are ultra rare Panther MrBeasts. And I tried to go for the ones that are visible. I tried to get ones that we don't already have, and so we can add those to the collection. So hopefully within the tubes we don't get any repeats, and then also in the tubes, in the lab packs, you have a chance at that rarer slot that you didn't have access to in the single tubes.
So these ones are definitely a better investment.
Yeah, most of the places you can find them for $10, but I've even seen online for like $8, $9. So if you can get them that cheap, much better price.
Be safe with this thing.
All right, so I'll open these and then I'll pass the tube and you just slice it.
All right. See, this is already open, this thing?
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh! Now his head is hard, right?
Is it?
Is that what they mean by, like, it's literally just a hard head for that guy?
Yeah, it is a harder head. So does that mean he's rarer, or?
Hey, you tell me, you're the MrBeast expert.
We're gonna have to look at the list for that.
Oh, there's not even a thing like the other ones that we usually cut.
Oh, it's not even sealed, huh?
Well, my job here is done. Tell you what, I'll start off by dropping one of them in here.
Oh, this guy's, he's got a hard head too.
Okay.
But
So is there one in each?
Maybe. So was I supposed to be looking for the hard heads as the visible part now that I realize it? Because now, yeah, I think there is.
Oh, yeah, they straight up, yeah, I guess they look like they got like masks. So you, yep. Okay.
This is the third time I thought I had the information right, but I had it wrong.
The little bit of information that comes on these packaging is a lot of information.
So I wonder if there is any difference in odds from the blind tubes now. Is there anything actually rarer in them, or was that just the visible part of the lab pack? Alright, so we get all the ones that were visible displayed. Kind of goes on. This guy we did already actually pull in a pack. Even though he's an ultra rare, we did pull him. And I did notice the last time that some of them were made in Vietnam and some of them were made in China. So there's different locations, probably different factories that they come from, even though they're all made by the brand or company Moose. So that must be who MrBeast has a partnership with. Yeah, these are, yeah, see, this guy is China and this one is Vietnam.
I see. Yeah.
Get those up, get those up to the camera. Come on, go on. Come on.
Before I move.
Come on.
I'll run him over there.
Yeah.
I don't.
If you can't see it, it's fine.
Yeah. All right, let's see what we got for our first guy. Ugh.
What is this guy? Little, something. I don't know what the hell that is. Bro, who? Oh, that's like a Cthulhu guy. That's pretty cool. That's pretty sick.
Cthulhu.
All right. I have definitely been enjoying opening these. It's a very nice little collection. Gives you a little something to do. There was glitter on that.
I think this is a hard head too.
Yeah, he came in the pack on the top.
Oh.
If I would dump the whole thing in there. You know what we could do?
What's that?
We could do all the tubes in there and pull them out.
Or
We got a repeat from one of the previous videos. And another repeat from a previous video.
repeats like to go together.
So we're gonna go ahead and plop all the packs in here at once.
I think we should make sure to count. You know, that's 4 in there so far.
Makes a nice little fizzy sound. Yeah, so we'll give that a two minutes to sit there. Really mixing up those beasts.
Yeah, hope the viewers brought an appetite.
If there was any type of arrangement on which one came with which, we won't know now.
Micro beast stew.
Oh, nice and slimy. Oh, this guy's like a Venus flytrap, so that's one we haven't gotten.
Jeez.
Fucking schlop that right there, bro. Okay, that's a repeat, like a praying mantis, fella. Ah, man, we're just getting repeats out the yangers. We're gonna have to make this up by opening more lab packs right now.
Maybe to prevent repeats, maybe just pick them up in different areas.
Probably could do that, yeah. I think we did pick these up from a different target.
Oh, true. Still kind of close though.
Damn,
No, I
that's
guess-
that's another repeat.
Oh, it's the same? I thought it was like the color scheme was a little different.
Nah, that's the same. Oh no, this is a. Oh, you're right. This is a different color scheme.
I was
Because
right.
some of them are very similar, but okay. But this guy is a repeat. That guy's definitely a repeat. Yeah, he's sitting right there. Nope, that's a different guy. What the hell? Literally,
There's
almost,
too many similarities.
Yeah, this guy's cool. Whoa.
Snake.
Did we just pull out 6? Okay, yeah, there's nothing in there. Gotta get more of those live packs real quick.
Bonus content.
Bonus content. Mostly just because I want to open more. So I guess we'll just speed through the next 5. We'll just do 5 lab packs because we have an additional set, all the same promo. We just bust those out of the way real quick.